Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon truffles. Gather 8 ounces white chocolate, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Heat cream gently, pour over chocolate, stir until smooth, then chill until firm. Scoop, roll, and finish with grated zest or cocoa. I'll walk you through each step and simple tweaks for bright, balanced citrus flavor. Set up your workspace with a shallow pan, parchment, and a small cookie scoop. Chop 8 ounces white chocolate finely for quick melting and add 2 tablespoon lemon zest for concentrated flavor. Warm 1/2 cup cream until it steams but does not boil, then pour over chocolate and wait 30 seconds before stirring to create a glossy ganache. Cover and chill until scoopable, about 1 to 2 hours, depending on fridge. Scoop chilled ganache with a small 1 teaspoon or cookie scoop for uniform truffles and roll between palms quickly to smooth edges. If the ganache gets too soft, return to the fridge for 10 minutes to firm up, then finish rolling. For coatings, use grated lemon zest for brightness, a dusting of powdered sugar for sweetness, or dip in melted dark chocolate for contrast. Store in an airtight container for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.